looking for a place to hang and share your music. Join our AI Music Discord community, and check out our streams on Twitch at the AI Umbrella. P.S. My persona star is now available for public use. I would love to see you use it for your songs. Her voice is gorgeous-imo. Survivor 25 foggy X. I receive the call with stoic grace. I feel my own presence take its shape, filling me with the lessons you never did. You burned my youth, crawled up in your bottles. You left your void where your love was meant to live. Oh, you left your voice in me where your love was meant to be. I learned how to forgive, I learned how to live. I'm not the meaning behind the mess you made. I was never meant to simply fade. I live my life with hope and love, even though I was never enough to make you see the depths of the damages you did. How I wish I could hate you, how I wish I could escape you. I guess in the end I finally did. I receive the call with stoic grace. I feel my own presence take its shape. I became the man you never were, and inside I still hold that wounded kid. Long ago I gave up on a sorry, and I learned I needn't worry. You never gave a fudge, and sorry was something you couldn't give. Oh, you cut me to my core. Oh, those painful lessons you taught me with your absence. What crime was I born to deserve it? I won't miss you in your passing. I only wonder what could have been if you had been as strong as I am. It's no wonder I struggle to love me as I am.